Alright guys, welcome back. Let's start polishing. So we're going to start refining. So let's check this out. Alright, let's check the foot out. First thing we'll do, let's check. We want to add on frame 0, on the next one, poof, just straight down, yeah? 0. But then we want a delay and we want that to hit after. Okay, so we've got that, right? Yeah, so we're adding that little bit. And then the other one's the same too. Come to the middle, next frame, 0. Delay on the toe, next frame, 0. Yeah, man, just you know, just loosens things up a bit, man. We'll have that going down as well, a bit like that. So we're just trying to get that little bit of a flop, man. And even here, we could kind of push it up a bit, copy that to the end. So we got same poses. So you feel that flop. Let's check the other one out. So it comes back. Naturally, it's going to start pushing. And then maybe here we could have it go up. Yeah. It's a bit more of a flop in it, even this one. See, when it comes off here, you want a little bit of a push because that's what's happening, isn't it? The effort. So you get that bit of a flop. I know it's a bit exaggerated there, but hey, man. That's animation, mate. We've got to exaggerate, right? Yeah, she's moving. The other thing I would say is, can we translate? Yeah, I think adding a bit of compression, because the spine compresses, right? When it when it's walking. It's very slight, but there is a compression. Is this rotatable? Oh, that's cool. There's another control in there. There's 2 controls. God damn, man, I just found out that. But anyway. That's the same. Yeah, so what we can do, we can add, let's choose that bottom one. So when he lands, there's a little bit of, we could do a compression going down, and then it comes up. And when it comes up to the highest, we could have a little stretch, and then down, and going up. When it gets to the highest, there could be a little stretch. Okay, so we've got that. Something like that will cycle, obviously. And then we can play around. We can get rid of the middle ones. Just have a little... initially, I had this on the rotation, but it was messing up the arms. So we'll do it this way. So, yeah. So as you can see, there's a bit of compression happening. And if you want, let's see, man, because that compression, if we select that torso, let's try and add it to the bottom one here. So let's delete this and paste it. Cycle this. Let's see. Yeah, you see that? You're getting a bit more. So what we can do with the top one, let's delay that by 1. Because the bottom one's happening first. So let's... Yeah, you see, it's something that's there that wouldn't otherwise be there. And then obviously you can tone it down how you want. But it's adding that little bit of compression and looseness. which always helps, isn't it? Side to side. Could we get more side to side? What's the feet look like? Look all right to me. Yeah. Cycling all right. Could we lean her forward a bit so we check it out? Is it too much? Are we doing too much there? Let's have a look. I think it's all right, man. Yeah, a little bit more. You just need a bit of a... I think I might even... Can we rotate? Just thinking, this character, depending on what the character is really, you know, you could... we could even go to our, have it rotated forward slightly. See how that looks. Leaning, nah, that's better. Upright a bit, innit? I'm just thinking of thinking about the hips. What if we rotate the hips? Yeah, that's it. Vanilla walk. So that's cool, man. We'll just have it looking up. And then, of course, the head, right? So the head is like, when it comes down, there's a bit of compression. So it's like, whoosh, still kind of catching up. And then the high, down again, down, high. Copy the first to the last. All right. Now we can play around with this. So here's the curves. And there's too much going on. Too much going on. So we need to tone this mother down. Tone this mother down, man. That's what we need to do. All right. Bring this up. Bring this up. Okay, and then we can kind of offset this. Offset it. So there's a little bit of a delay, right? The body's moving first, then there's a bit of a delay. I mean, if you want overall, if we look at the head, overall, we could have it, let's move it down. So say if we move it, yeah, we could have that. So we've got the head working, the feet working. We've got a bit of this overlap going on in the chest, a bit of compression, which always helps. And yeah, we've got a like a walk going on there, man. It's a vanilla walk, so you know the mechanics are working. So that's cool. Then you can just go around and just play around with it. Really, you could start bringing it up and down, and bring the spine up and down. You know, you could, for example, go like this, bring everything down, bring this up. Or change the spine to FK. You could do that as well. It's a bit IKFK there, but hey, man. And if you want, if you think the left and right isn't that much, might be a bit subtle there, but you know, you could come in. You can let this play. Come in, push it up a bit. Push it down a little bit. See, what I'm thinking is this hip. Where are these hips? So she lands. When she lands, the hips, I would still have it like equal. Lands, takes the weight. Takes the weight still a bit down. Then up. Let's see. Up. Straight. Still a bit straight. Down. Then up. Yeah, because then you're getting that. Where's the hip controls? Yeah, because you're still getting that. Down. Then it shoots up. Then it's 0. And then it's going back up. There, you know, you're getting that kind of a shape, right? -10, yeah, -10, and that will be 10. So it's same, but the other, you know, opposite ways. Because you want that switch like that when she's hits the weight, right? When she hits her, let's see the back, man. Yeah, you want that kind of bump change like that, abrupt, when she's making those changes. It's not like as smooth. There's a little bit of a shape change you can see there, right? Maybe it's a bit too much. Maybe we can bring it down a bit. But yeah, man, it just feels a little bit. Let's see if we can ease it a bit, yeah. Felt too soft before, you know. There, you can see the change happening. And then let's see the other bits. The rotations are fine. Yeah, that's fine. And we can, and obviously we can keep on refining that as much as we want. But I just think that there's more of a pop. It just feels more like, you know, the hips are moving a lot more there. All right, guys. So we got that working. Got the compression working. And what we'll do is we'll start working on the final stages, which is the face, the hair, you know. Actually, what we can do, let's go here. Let's select and go to face rig. Turn it on. Yeah, the face rig. All right, now what we'll do in the next video, get that all done, and then we'll start polishing. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Check out the group below if you haven't already. Sign up for the group. It's a private Facebook group where I just give feedback to students. Pick a Maya file and I just go over it basically. And really, that group is designed to let's push each other, and really, people who want to work in the video game industry, I will do my very best to help you. Like, give feedback, make a show reel. And there's a few contacts that we can register to, agencies, and I can always just forward work for you guys. But we've got to get it to that standard first, yeah? So animate along with me here, and let's push, get our show reels out there, and start applying for jobs. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care, take it easy, mate.